I am trying to film this video. I just got started, and my next door neighbor's lawn care service, they either come on a Saturday towards the evening, like dinner time or a little later, or Sunday. It's Sunday today, and they just started mowing. So should I try to get through this? Let's try to get through this. Okay, I have my Stitch Fix. I want to film this. I want to try them on. I selected all 5 items that are in this box, so we'll see how I did. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Stitch Fix try on and unboxing. I have not opened it obviously yet, so let's see what's in the bundle. As always, you get your prepaid envelope to return anything that's not a keeper. You know what? I wonder if I should start this over and face the other way. Although my daughter's right out there laying in the sun, so let's just go with this. I don't know how this video is going to turn out, but let's just keep going. Okay, with Stitch Fix, you always receive a invoice and a note from your stylist. Okay, my box is total for 5 items is $316. If I keep all 5, I receive a 25% discount, which would be $79. My total would be $237 if I keep everything in the box. So I'm kind of hopeful that I do like everything and that everything fits. What else? Oh, I have a referral code. I keep forgetting to put it out there, but if you guys want to try Stitch Fix for your first time, we each will receive a $25 credit. So that's always nice. Okay, and they give you outfits, suggested outfits. Oh shoot. There is a note from my stylist, but it's not signed by her. Oh, darn. I really like Melissa. She gets me. Oh, well, let's see. Maybe because I picked all 5 items. I don't know. All right, so here's my bundle. Black, all black. All black. How did it? I don't remember that, but you know, it's been a while. And I have a handbag. So let's start with this. Oh, this is cute. It's kind of like a suede up here, and I'm sure that's faux leather. It's got the feet on the bottom. It's pink, like a blush color. Has a zipper here. Oh, look at the inside. A zipper or a zebra print. Not zebra. What is that? It's just dots. It looks like it's black and tan. Oh, it has a zipper on top. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, it's a closure. Look at the inside of that. I like that. Oh, it's on a crossbody. Oh, it extends. There's the long hair. We're just going to keep going. This is really cute. Look at the inside. So it has a zipper pocket on one side. Let's see how deep that is. Well, that's pretty good size. And 2 slip pockets on the other side. This is really cute. I like this a lot. It's bigger than what I would normally carry. Put it this way. I actually like this a lot. Let me give you some information on it while we're here. It's called the Kathy Hobo Malibu Style. And let's see how much it is. I think I remember seeing that it was faux leather. It's really pretty. Look at the colors. So this belt is only on one side. It's called Blush, $64. I like it a lot. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a keeper. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep this. Okay, let's see what's in my bundle. And I'm filming on Father's Day today, and unfortunately, my dad was in a car accident yesterday. My dad is 87 years old and gets around really well, but he wasn't hurt. So, and it wasn't his fault. Some guy pulling a boat pulled out in front of me and just blew out his front tire and scratched the whole side, and his car's only a little over a year old and only has 6,000 miles on it. So he's not happy. This is so cute. Look at this. Okay, it is black, but it is so cute. Oh yeah, I like this. It feels polyester-y, but it's got a V-neck. Look at the cute, there are these, oh, they're like eyelet sleeves. Look, you can see through them. And the scallop on the sides. I don't know, I really like it. I like it a lot, I think it's cute. This would look really cute with white pants, although I don't have any. I have a pair, but they need to be him. Oh yes, the dress. Okay, it's navy. I would have liked a brighter color. I am trying to go with some brighter colors. Oh, it looks like it's got some pockets in the front. Square neck. Material feels nice. Looks like a good length. I hope it fits. I wish it was brighter color, but that's okay. And I do need some slacks because none of mine fit. So these are tribal, and they are I think these are a navy. Yeah, these are a navy. They are the pull-on style, which I like. I don't know if that's considered boot cut. And then there was a pair of black jeans, and I was just like, no, but let's just, I mean, I already picked 4 items. Let's just go ahead and take these. Who are these by? These are by Slim Boot Cut with Scissor Cut. Oh, are they slit? I didn't notice that if they are. Oh, the hem is raw. Does that mean scissor cut? No, there's no. They're by Just USA. I don't know. We'll see. Not the summer box I was hoping for, but I did not. In my stylist's defense, I did not give her any guidance because I don't really know what I need. I don't need anything at all. It's just surprised me, and let's see if there's something I can fall in love with. Also with Stitch Fix, there is a $20 styling fee. Anything you purchase does go towards that, but they also have what they call a, what do they call it? The lawn guy's kind of distracting me. What's it called? Where you get an annual pass for $49. I have that. So the styling fee is nothing for me. It's already been paid. I've already used it. The $49 that you are charged is applied to any of your purchases, which I've already spent. All right, let's get to the try on. Okay, we're gonna try this angle. No matter any other angle I do, it's not working. So let's just go with it. I have on the Tribal Lola Micro Flare Navy pull-on pants, a size 10. They're only $58. They feel so nice. So I'm gonna back up and show you the pants. They are stretchy, and you've got the nice flat panel here to help with the tummy. It's not really a tummy tuck, but I mean a tummy control, but it feels nice. Here it is back here. The length is great for my heels. There are no side pockets. Let's see, and there's one. I don't know if that's a real pocket in the back or not, but I would not undo it. I would just leave it alone. It's only on one side. I really like these. These are gonna be a keeper because you could dress them up, dress them down. I really like them. Okay, I have 2 pieces on. I have the top is Daniel Rainn in black, size medium, $68. I could not find the fabric content on this, but it feels like polyester, but not a real, like the real thick, scratchy, hot polyester, if that makes sense. And then I have on the jeans, Just USA. They are a high-rise scissor cut boot cut in black, size 10, $68. Okay, let me back up and show you the whole outfit. The top is also has some lining in it, which is nice. It's very nice. Let me know what you think of the length of the top. It is pretty long. It's a little fitted here, and then it kind of flows out, which I like. I like the style a lot. It's a little longer than what I would normally wear, but I really like this top a lot. It feels nice. It fits underneath the arm nice. Covers the booty. It's a really cute top. I'm gonna keep it. I am. So far, the first 3 items I showed you, I am keeping. Now let me show you the Just Black jeans. These are really nice. They are high-waisted and they are tight through the legs, which I'm not used to because it's summer. I haven't been wearing jeans. They are the 5-pocket. They need to be hemmed because I will wear heels with them. Pockets. They kind of suck you in, which if there's 4 items I'm gonna keep, then I'll just keep the jeans. So I don't need them, but anyways. Okay, so I tried this top on with the only pair of white pants that I own, and I'll insert a photo. But these are by Sanctuary. I bought these at the Ever Eve store after seeing them on another video with Carolyn at Carolyn and Her Clothes. I went out, they had the last pair of my size, but they're more of a cargo pant. And so they don't look really right with this particular top. And these have to be hemmed, as you'll see on the video. But these are really nice. They've been washed. Obviously, they have not been pressed because I have to get them hemmed. But I really like them. And they're more of a fuller leg. They're not a tight leg. So, I don't know. So far, so good. Okay, I had high hopes for this dress. It is by Tribal, the Rainn square neck dress in black. Yeah, I guess it is black. Size 8, $58, which is a nice price, not too bad. It's the same material as the navy pants with the Tribal, which I love this material. I don't know what it is, but if I can find out any information on anything I can find out on anything, I will link below. I like it. It has the pockets here. I like that it's the fit and flare. I love the square neck. The sleeves on here are a little stretchy, like just the material of it. It's not lined. It's a good length. It's okay. Like a tad bit longer, but that's all right. So it looks like, reminds me of something like a dermatologist or, a skincare person would wear. I don't know. What do you guys think? So I'm on the fence. I don't know. What do you think? So that's my Stitch Fix. I think it's a pretty good one. I'm going to keep the handbag right here. I think it was $68, something like that. So I'm going to keep this. I will get some use out of it. I'm going to see what the straps look like to maybe be able to do a crossbody. I am going to keep, I think the Daniel Rainn black top. What do you guys think? I like it. It's a little longer than I would normally wear. I'm going to look at the footage again and see. Since I'm going to return the dress, I'm going to return the jeans because I really don't need them. But I do like the navy pants, Tribal pants, because you can dress them up or dress them down. And I need a pair of pants if I go somewhere. So that's it. That's my Stitch Fix. What do you guys think? Let me know. Share your thoughts. And I will see you guys later. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.